Hey guys, Charlie here with Ryonet. Today we've got a quick 90-second tip on direct-to-garment printing. We're going to cover pre-treatment of garments, specifically how we pre-treat and how to get the best results. Important to consider is what type of garment you're using. A lot of cotton garments are going to take that pre-treat really heavily and soak in a lot of it. Some poly blends are not going to need quite as much. Also, when you're considering the fabric, you need to think about what's going to happen when this garment goes through the curing process. Will there be migration involved? Will there be any problem with bonding of the direct-to-garment inks with the fabric itself? Color of the garment is also going to play a huge role in how you pre-treat. The darker the garment, you're going to have a much stronger concentration of pre-treatment and water. The lighter the garment, however, won't quite need as much pre-treatment in its mixture whenever you go to pre-treat. If we're going on to dark garments, that additional pre-treatment means better bonding for that white ink and a better, longer lasting print overall. Ratio of pre-treatment to water is also an important consideration. As you're looking for a lighter, more vintage print, you might find that you can use a lower ratio of the actual pre-treatment solution to water. However, when you're looking for those really opaque, dark, super high color content images, you might find yourself not only laying down more white, but laying down a higher concentration of pre-treatment as well. One thing to note, with any ratio of pre-treatment to water, you might even find some occasional yellowing in the garment. This is happening usually because of some sort of mixture with the color of the fabric and also the pre-treatment itself, or perhaps from too much heat. Pre-treatment can scorch, and that will ruin the garment. The conversation of conveyor dryer versus heat press often comes up when customers are looking to bring direct-to-garment printing in-house. On one hand, a conveyor dryer offers a much superior method of drying not only the ink, but the pre-treat with no heat press needed, but it's also a lot more expensive. For those customers who are looking for a more modestly priced solution, the heat press is often very attractive. For those using a heat press, we really want to make sure that we encourage you to watch your curing temperatures and also your curing times, as that pre-treatment can scorch and ruin that garment. Another tool to have on hand when utilizing direct-to-garment printing, especially with a heat press, is going to be the use of a Teflon sheet or parchment paper. Now, a Teflon sheet is really a wonderful product because it lasts forever or until you lose it. However, it does leave a little bit of a glossy appearance on the garment until the garment's been washed a few times and that gloss goes away. On the other hand, the silicone-based parchment paper doesn't leave back that sheen, but you're going to find yourself replacing it more, as those sheets are only going to be able to heat press about 4 or 5 times before they're ruined. Thanks for watching this direct-to-garment 90-second tip. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great tips. And as always, please comment below if you'd like to see any other tips or information.